Hello everyone, my name is Bryan Wang from the University of Toronto. Thank you for attending the talk from all over the world. Today I'm going to introduce our paper, Soloist, generating mixed initiative tutorials from existing guitar instructional videos through audio processing. This is a joint work with Mengyu and my advisor Tovi Grossman. Learning instrument using online instructional videos has become increasingly popular. However, learning with pre-recorded video does not provide immediate feedback, and existing video navigations are not optimized for instrumental learning, making the learning experience encumbered. To address these limitations, we present Soloist, a full-stack framework that automatically turns off-the-shelf video lessons into interactive tutorials. So, how can we create an interactive tutorial from a pre-recorded video? Firstly, Soloist uses a series of audio processing to extract musical information from the video. This information is then presented on a front-end interface for the user to interact with. The user can record their practice, and Soloist would automatically analyze their performances and compare them with the video. To provide a guided learning experience, Soloist also provides 3 types of learning feedback, including audio replay, melody visualization, and a note correctness score, which we will discuss later. Let's first take a look at how Soloist enables video navigations tailored for instrument learning. Soloist uses a waveform navigator to visualize the instructor's narration voice and the instrument sound, helping the user locate where the guitar is being played. Moreover, Soloist automatically segments the video into demonstration regions. Clicking a region will play the specified interval, and the user can drag the boundaries to adjust the start and end of a region. Soloist provides a set of navigational tools to facilitate music learning with videos. For example, users can click on the loop button to play a region repeatedly. Clicking on the preview button and hovering the cursor on different regions will display their melodic lines in each region. Users can select the region and press the query button. Soloist will then display the regions containing similar melodies and hide the remaining ones. Another important feature of Soloist is to provide immediate feedback on users' practice. To practice along a region, the user can select it and press the record button. Soloist will then analyze the user's performance and provide various feedback. The first type of feedback is melody visualization, which visualizes the melodic lines of both the user's recording and the instructor's demonstration. Many common mistakes of guitar performance, such as missing vibrato, can be therefore identified. Another type of feedback is audio replay. The user can play their recordings and the reference audio simultaneously, and the mixing slider allows them to adjust the relative volume. Soloist also provides a score assessment based on the note correctness of the user's performance. Since the models we use for audio processing may have inaccurate predictions, we adopted a mixed initiative design where the user can override the score if they believe it's inaccurate. To evaluate Soloist, we conducted a technical evaluation on the video segmentation by comparing the segmentation results with human labels. The evaluation shows that our algorithm is reasonably accurate and outperformed all baselines across metrics. We also conducted a qualitative user study remotely with 8 participants to obtain their high-level feedback. The results showed that the participants unanimously preferred practicing with Soloist compared to using traditional YouTube videos. With that, I wrap up my talk, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you.